Yo, what's up? This is Jeremy. We're at IHOP. We're gonna plan for our Chiang Mai vacation, and I'm gonna show you how to plan a trip like a pro. This is what I do every vacation. I take a piece of paper, I fold it into 7 columns for 7 days of the week. Okay, so it's like this. Alright? See that right there? 7 columns. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What a day! Juvenile week with you! So,
we're leaving Kuwait. Oh, 3 p.m. 1500 the next day. 6 a.m. in Chiang Mai. 7:10 to Kuwait. Our flight details going to Chiang Mai, flight coming back to Kuwait. Obviously this first full day is just settling in, and then the kids were just gonna swim, and then obviously our last full day we're just gonna be swimming and then packing time and getting ready. We'll update you later what's the adventures that we're going to fill it in this next 4 days. The place to see, to eat, and things to do in Chiang Mai. So you know, I got a tip for you. When you have kids, you leave the kids at home, stay with the nanny, and you come to a place that you got unlimited coffee, okay? And of course, a food that's loaded with sugar and sugar and sugar, and you plan your badass trip. Okay, we found all the places that we want to do, and then the places that we want to eat.
and what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer it over here to our schedule. We got the most important stuff we're gonna do first. That way we get out of the way, and then after that we're gonna do the rest. But what's most important is we know what days are the best days to go. We don't want to go to a place and it's not open. And also we planned out. We also looked seeing how far these places are from our Airbnb to determine what time we have to leave to get there on time.
Okay, so we have here our all full schedule for the entire week in Chiang Mai. We wrote everything, we transferred everything, what we're gonna do on that day, but we also leave our time flexible and open. Just in case we don't wanna we wanna stay in that place longer, or we just wanna leave. Okay? So, see you in Chiang Mai.
Cool, see ya.
See you.
See you in Chiang Mai. I'm seeing how far these places are from our Airbnb to determine what time we have to leave to get there on time. That's it.
So you explain better than me.
Nah, because yours is like an hour and I have to chop it up and the editing's gonna take forever. So you're a rookie and I'm a professional. That's it.
Okay.
Cheers.